I'm very passionate about education because education didn't always work for me. I didn't always see myself reflected in my schooling. Tan ing koteti uye gachanke Erin Pauls agunda iche gionia iche. My name is Koteti and my English name is Erin Pauls, and I'm a proud member of the Champagne and Aishihik First Nations. YukonU has been so amazing on my journey of my life. Coming here at the tender age of 17 to embark on my Bachelor of Education through YukonU. I had my daughter in the middle of the program in third year. I got a job right away when I graduated at Elijah Smith School here in Whitehorse. I'm really proud to say that I am currently a doctoral candidate, and I've been working on my doctorate in education through Simon Fraser University. And so I don't think I would be where I am today with my family and my education if it weren't for YukonU. I was able to go back to Haines Junction and serve my community as the Director of Education for my First Nations, which was super meaningful. And now I have the honor and privilege of being the director of the newly formed First Nations School Board in the Yukon, working to decolonize education and authentically share that leadership with the local First Nations our schools reside on, because we know that the community has always known what's best for their kids. And so to have YukonU get me to a place where I get to have the privilege of being the director of the First Nations School Board is really surreal and wonderful to look back on.